Are you using the right cleaner for your wooden floors? Dear friends, are you really using the right cleaner for your wooden floors, or could your current choice be causing hidden damage over time? Many homeowners don't realize that the wrong product can slowly damage the finish and reduce the lifespan of their flooring. Wooden floors are sensitive to moisture and harsh chemicals. Using strong cleaners, bleach, or ammonia-based solutions can strip away the protective layer, leaving your floors dull and vulnerable. Over time, this can lead to cracks, discoloration, and costly repairs. The best approach is to use a pH-neutral cleaner specifically designed for wood. These cleaners gently remove dirt without harming the finish. Even a simple mix of water with a small amount of mild dish soap can work. Just make sure the mop is only slightly damp, not wet. Another common mistake is overcleaning. Too much water is one of the biggest enemies of wood flooring. Always wring out your mop thoroughly and avoid letting water sit on the surface. For daily care, dry methods like sweeping or using a microfiber mop are ideal. They remove dust and debris without introducing moisture, helping maintain the natural shine of the wood. Choosing the right cleaner isn't just about cleanliness, it's about protecting your investment. With the right products and techniques, your wooden floors can stay beautiful, strong, and long-lasting for years to come. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.